What's up, everybody? Ooh. Cardboard box review coming at you. Okay, unboxing coming at you. Links in the description for this product, as always. And guys, we got giveaway. First giveaway started already at forwardflight.com, and the second one most likely will start today if I can get my stuff together. But we're gonna be giving away 4 quads. 4 quad? 4 quad? We're giving away 4 total here in the next few weeks. So go visit us at forwardflight.com. Check out our stuff. I'm blogging, so check that out, I guess. I don't know. I bore you to death in videos. I could bore you to death in written word. All right, let's get to opening this. Having some trouble. Ooh. What we got here, guys? A little protective film over the protective film. All right. This thing looks amazing. So I believe this is made by, I don't know, Mole King, or I don't know. I guess I'm pretty sure one of the company purists that watch these videos will leave a comment and tell us exactly who made it. I really don't care, because this has a way cooler name than the original one, which I think was Scout or something. This is the Mixberry Hornet. Cannot argue with me about that. I don't care how company purist toy fanatic you are. Mixberry Hornet is the sickest name for a quad yet. That is ill, man. Mixberry. I love it. Look at that. Mixberry Hornet HD. I'm having way too much fun. Okay, so I guess this is a Wi-Fi, a smartphone control? What in the hell? What is this? Let's open it. All right, guys. So yes, this is a smartphone controlled only version of this quad, I believe. And so that's gonna be interesting, to say the least. But hopefully I got a transmitter that'll bind to it. Here's the quad, and it looks awesome. I gotta say, I'm digging this design. Big, like, it's almost helicopter looking with that, you know, front window canopy. Let's see, we got an on-off switch. No battery plugged in. Camera pops off really easy, guys. It's not screwed on. Just to let you know. Let's see what we got in here. We got a 750 milliamp, 3.7 volt battery. Plug it in, see what kind of lights we're working with. And pull this camera off. There. So got the red in the front, womp womp womp, green in the back. Ooh, it's got eyeballs. Cool. So, you know what? I kind of intentionally avoid anything that's just controlled by a phone. So I haven't ever reviewed one. I know that we have some at the compound. I think, you know, Parrot or something, I don't know. that none of us really care for. But like I said, I'm going to see what transmitter binds to this, because I know that you can fly this with the transmitter too. Here is the Wi-Fi FPV camera, and it does have a adjustable angle, kind of. So that's good. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Huh. That's interesting. It has a totally different type of plug. It's very interesting. Very interesting. I'm not sure why that's interesting, but let's see if we got an SD card in here, because I didn't see one in the camera. Doesn't look like it. Full set of spare props, charging cable, screwdriver, screws for the prop guards, which will remain in that box. I thought you guys would like to look at them though. Yeah, I do not. Oh, look at this. It's got a extender for the Wi-Fi camera with the standard, or it's just an extra one. Oh, that's what it is. They give you an extra camera wire. Huh. That's actually not bad thinking. You know? I didn't want to open this to see if there was a memory card, but I'm pretty sure there's not. So, no memory card, but that's no big deal. This thing looks awesome. Named incredibly awesome, Mixberry Hornet. Yes. We'll see what happens with it. Let's test it out. We'll charge it up. We'll even use a phone controller and try that, and then we'll see what else we can do with it. Thanks for watching, guys.